advantage of Tecla Consulting. Thank you for being with us today and for joining the Chamber. Tell us a little bit about Tecla Consulting.
Well, thank you for having me today. And I would like to say hi to all the existing and the future members of Augusta Metro Chamber of Commerce. So I am a partner and industrial coach at Tecla Consulting. Tecla is an international consulting company born in Italy some 15 years ago. So what we do is we help our customers that are mainly manufacturing companies identifying losses and waste in their production process and assembly lines. So when we do that, we also then create a plan and we help our customers achieve their goals about eliminating those wastes and those losses. The outcome of our support is basically helping the organization save the money that then they can reinvest in future improvement projects. Then also the learning organization, because having people involved in the problem solving on a day-to-day basis helps shop floor people dealing with problems on a day-to-day basis in an autonomous way. And also that naturally shifts the mode of the organization from the reactive to the proactive mode. So basically we have the organizations really functioning in that continuous improvement mode. And I'm really happy to say, also brag a bit about that our customers, actually 30 of them, have received internationally recognized GIPM and World Class Manufacturing Awards. So basically the methodologies that we use are continuous improvement methodologies like total productive maintenance, world class manufacturing, and lean manufacturing that is tailored upon customers' needs.
Wow, that is impressive.
Thank you.
So how important is your business and your consulting services to our community given the wide manufacturing base that we have? I know there are so many out there that would benefit from partnering with you, so I really appreciate you telling us about your business.
Thank you.
I would like to have you share a little bit now about why Tecla Consulting chose to join the Chamber.
So we opened our office in 2017, and late last year we moved our office from Boston to Augusta, and we thought, okay, well, we have to become a part of this community and the business community, and the best way is to kind of join the Chamber, and we did, and I'm really glad to do so.
Well, we're glad to have you as a member and really excited that you chose Augusta as your home from being in Boston. I think that's a huge testament to our community as well. So what would you tell a business that hasn't yet joined the Chamber but is thinking about doing so? What would you tell them to help them take that plunge?
So definitely this Chamber of Commerce makes you feel really welcome as a member. I received a package and a great delicious cake from you guys. And then also the opportunity that you give to all the members to network via all the events that you organize and also learn through the courses that you organize. But also what I really like is your platform where you give the members the opportunity to interact with each other also through your platform. So I really appreciate that. So.
Well, we are happy to have you as a member, and you hit on a lot of the great reasons for being a member. And we just look forward to partnering with you. I know we've talked about some different things through our Manufacturers Exchange and all the ways that we can help get you ingrained in the community. And so we're appreciative of your support and think that you're just a great business to have on board as a member. Thank you.
Thank you.